Mare, anong latest? Ako po si Marites from Brampton, Ontario, Canada. Dati po akong caregiver but because of this amazing business, nabago po ang aking buhay. Natagpuan ko po ang business na to noong 11th month ng maternity benefit ko, and at that time po gusto kong magkaroon ng additional income kasi having a single income in the family is not enough. So, nung matagpuan ko po ang business na to, ito ang nakapagpabago na aking buhay. From then on, naging full-time stay at home mom po ako. And by the way, nandito po kami sa Calgary, katatapos po ng aming convention. And these are our business partner.
Hello.
And ano pong masasabi mo, sis, kung anong ganda ng business na to?
Ito po ay napaka-priceless na
Yes.
negosyo. So, hindi kayo magsisisi once na try nyo. It's like, hindi kayo pagsisisihan talaga kasi napakalaki ng napakaraming pamilya na ang natulungan ng negosyo.
Yes.
Ito.
Yes. Ikaw naman, my dear.
Yeah, for me, before I'm a nurse by profession and I'm working 3 part-time
Wow.
jobs, and then after a year of starting my business, then I'm doing a business as a side hustle and then working full-time as a nurse.
How amazing is
So,
that?
Yeah, it's really good.
Really great. And how about sis?
Hi, si Nancy from Toronto, Scarborough. Ako isang food service worker to at naghahanap ng online business dahil ang trabaho ko ay very heavy lifting job. So this is great. So ngayon it's just my side hustle. Mayroon akong full-time job as a food service. So,
Ang galing-galing. Ang galing-galing. Ikaw naman, aking sister. Anong masasabi mo?
Ako po si Lona from Toronto, Ontario. At ito pong business nito ay natagpuan ko dahil ang gusto ko po ay magkaroon ako ng peace of mind sa aking retirement. At napakaganda po ng
That's
business nito.
great.
Hindi nyo kailangang magbenta ng kahit ano. And you don't need to bother your family and friends.
Yes, correct. And my love, anong masasabi
Hello
mo?
everyone, this is Imelda from Scarborough. I'm still working full time, but I get into this business planning to retire soon with my husband. So that's why I am here in this business.
Yes. At dahil po sa business na to, naging full-time stay-at-home mom po ako. At naalagaan ko na po ang aking mga anak. And by the way, nakalimutan ko palang sabihin, I was a caregiver for almost 10 years. Pero dahil sa business na to, nabago ang aking buhay. Kaya kung kayo po ay interesado at magkaroon ng side hustle or extra income, dahil sa panahon ngayon, kailangan natin ng extra income, check me out po. Click the learn more button para maipadala ko po sa inyo ang kabuuan ng business na to. So, paano po? Magchismisan tayo. So, check me out po and see you on the inside. Salamat po. God bless. Bye.